Hello friends. Last year we studied uh, two subjects, that is banking and finance and new trends in corporate accounting. Now in this year we studied auditing. This paper is fifth semester CBCS pattern, and in this paper the contents are: first unit, introduction to auditing. In this chapter we studied definition of auditing, objective of auditing, primary and secondary, expression of opinion, inherent limitation of audit, principles of audit, types of audit, advantages of audit, independent audit, auditing versus accounting, auditing versus investigation. This total syllabus is theoretical. Then second unit, company auditor. In this unit we studied eligibility and appointment, qualification, disqualification, rotation and removal of company auditor, powers and duties of company auditor. Fourth unit, third unit, audit planning, procedure and documentations, meaning and objective, factors to be considered, sources of obtaining information, discussion with client, overall audit plan, audit program, meaning, factors to be considered, advantages, disadvantages, methods of uh, work, instruction before commencement of work of audit, audit working papers, audit notebook. These contents are in this third unit, a big unit. And next one is detection and prevention of fraud. This chapter or unit is very important. In this unit we must study errors, meaning, types of errors, commission, omission, principles and compensating, types of frauds, auditors' duties and responsibilities in respect of fraud and errors. And last unit, that is audit evidence. In audit evidence we studied introduction, evidence for ascertain, formation of opinion, types of evidence, audit techniques of collecting audit evidence, audit sampling, types of sampling, etc. This unit is also very important because it is for new. For this subject, some books given to you: uh, Contemporary Auditing by Kamal Gupta, a Handbook of Practical Auditing by B.N. Tandon, Fundamental of Auditing by Kamal Gupta, Auditing Principles and Practice by Ravindra Kumar, Auditing and Assurance for CA IPCC by Sanjeev Kumar Basu, Contemporary Auditing by Kamal Gupta, Fundamentals of Auditing by Kamal Gupta, Auditing Principles and Practice by N.K. Jha, Bookkeeping and Accountancy by Dr. S.V. Dongre. These books are refer for this syllabus. Thank you, friend. Stay home, stay safe. If any problem or any queries, questions about this syllabus, you ask me on my mobile. It is on 9881 480 582. My email is given here, sukeshdhemre@gmail.com. Thank you very much.